Okay, so I just went live a few minutes ago where I was actually making this formulation. Okay, so this is my my night cream called Nourish. It's my anti-aging, smoothing, wrinkle busting night cream. Super fabulous. Now, there's different ways to do a warm blend, and this is what happens when you stick this in the freezer. It's not too hard, but it's hard enough. So this should actually hopefully work better than normal. So what I need to do is plug this in first. Okay, so let me, that's not gonna work. Let me plug this in somewhere. Okay. Now what's funny about this method is that this can be very messy, especially for me because I'm a little bit messy. So we're gonna try this. The idea is to get in here and to get this cream so it actually whips up, right? And then when it all whips up, then I can put it, when it's nice and whipped, into these blue jars that I don't know if you can see them, but I have little 1 ounce jars. Plus I also have some heart-shaped molds, and that way I can do small sample sizes and a half size for folks, because you really don't actually need a whole lot of this cream. And it has some really powerful ingredients in it. If you're curious about what the ingredients are, I just went live in this page just about 10 or 15 minutes ago, so you can just scroll on down and check that video out. If this is something that you might be interested in, which you should be because it's amazing, with some beautiful, powerful anti-aging essential oils in it. And I actually studied to do this, and I actually studied medicinal plants and ethnobotany in college as well. So I have some background and some understanding of how this stuff is supposed to work. So there we go, some is still on the ground. Now normally I leave this in the freezer too long to solidify, and so this becomes very, very messy. And so I thought it would be funnier because I assumed that this stuff was going to fly everywhere, but it seems like I did. Uh-oh. I just lost the stick. There we go. Now we got the funny. All right. So I think we're actually pretty good. And I can show you, let me just get rid of this guy. Kind of show you what this looks like. Let's do this. See? Oh, here we go. It's amazing. So this, I'm going to go ahead and put this right into these jars and into the molds, and then when they solidify a little bit more, what will happen is it'll actually, I need to do a little more actually. I'm going to blend this some more. It'll actually melt right into your skin when you put it on. So, all right, y'all have a good day. Bye. Oh, check out the other video.